Hi everyone. I just thought it might be fun to take a look back at the tour that started it all back in 2019. I did a trip up to Inverhuron Provincial Park, just up near the Bruce Peninsula. Let's just say it was a trial by error. The bike setup was not good, full suspension bike that kind of fell apart a little bit early on. But yeah, it was definitely a learning process, and you can see that in the videos too. I feel like I've come a long way looking back on this now. So, anyways, this is from the produced video, so I can only do so much. But let's take a look back and enjoy. Hi everyone. So I'm just kind of checking in now. I had a pretty rough day yesterday. Well, the end of it, anyways. I had a couple bolts on my bike come loose. Luckily I noticed because my bike was not handling properly, so I ended up having to stay off the road and try and fix it. It took me about 2 hours to finally get it fixed in the pouring rain. Got a makeshift camp set up, which I took some photos of, so I'll share them with you. But anyways, I'm actually just outside of Mitchell's Bay, and I'm gonna have to stop there on day 2, which no big deal. This isn't a marathon, this isn't a race. If I don't make it where I'm supposed to make it on one given day, so be it. So anyways, just checking in. I'm going to leave it on for a few minutes and record a bit of this ride, and I'll check in with you later. Ciao. So hi everyone, morning day 3. I'm actually still in Mitchell's Bay. I had to do some more work on my bike. So anyways, I just wanted to say I know this particular run videos for this trip is probably going to be pretty rough. For starters, I keep forgetting that I should be recording and taking pictures. But anyways, so I'll work on it. Had an okay night last night. Had a real fun experience at the convenience store with a lady that wouldn't take my prepaid Visa card, and then proceeded to tell me how I should travel and how to do things. But anyways, that's a long story. But there are people that were camping near me, were kind enough to give me some firewood, and yeah, so that was cool. But anyways, I'm just gonna head out now. I'm trying to make Sarnia today, but because of my bike again, I got a late start. But like I said, I'm not sweating it. You just got to roll with the punches. So anyways, I'll check in later on, and I'll try and do some more recording while I'm riding today, since I have both batteries fully charged. So anyways, I'll talk to you later. Ciao. Well, I'm at the Pinery. This is my campsite. Just rolled in. I thought I'd take a shot of what it looks like before and after. It's not too shabby at all, really. Definitely enough room. So I'm camping in the dunes, which is obviously a more sandy area. Yeah, it's a nice little spot. So anyways, I'll show you some more in a bit. trying to wait for this rain to stop, but I don't think it's going to. This is crap. I guess this is part of bike packing, I guess. Anyways, just wanted to let you know what's going on. Trying to wait for the rain to stop a little bit. I'll check in a bit. Hi everyone, so day 2 in Huron. This is what I got set up because it's calling for rain today. As I was setting it up, raindrops fell as well, so seemed like a good idea. But yeah, so yeah, I had to use a piece of old dead tree from the woods, which you're not really supposed to do, but I'll remember where I got it and put it back there. But I needed a center pole. So yeah, actually looks pretty good. So yeah, I'll check in later. Ciao. Looking back on these videos, I really remember how awesome Inverhuron Provincial Park was and how much I failed to capture it with these videos. So I'm kind of loosely right now planning a trip back up that way to start the BT 700, so stay tuned for that. But if you're in the Inverhuron area on Lake Huron, I highly recommend checking it out. The beach area is beautiful and you get some amazing sunsets there as well.
Driving through swarms of flying ants right now. Stuck in my helmet. Man, it's that time of year. I'm stuck on 21 it looks like, but it's been pretty quiet.
This was my last camp of the trip, just outside of Chatham, Ontario. The monarchs were doing their migration. As you can see, the trees were just filled with them. It was actually a pretty spectacular thing to see. I've never seen that many numbers of monarchs, so it was really pleasant. It was a really great trip, and I definitely didn't document it properly, so I'm looking forward to getting out there and doing it again. I was a real rookie back then, and as you can see, the results show. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed what I could do with this, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.